In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Otter AI to Google Meet. Before we begin, make sure you have your Google Meet ready and that you're signed into your Otter account in the same browser. It's also important to let participants know you're using a transcription tool since meetings often contain sensitive information and transparency builds trust. Start by opening your Google Meet in your browser. You can be in the meeting already or on the pre-join screen. Either way works. What matters is that you have the unique meeting link handy. You'll find it in your address bar or by using the built-in option to copy the meeting details. Go ahead and copy that Google Meet URL so it's on your clipboard. Next, switch to a new tab and go to Otter. Once you're on the Otter homepage, look for the option to start capturing a meeting by link. Depending on the interface you see, this might be labeled as joining a meeting, importing a meeting link, or starting a live note connected to a meeting. The key idea is that Otter needs your Google Meet URL so it can attach itself to the conversation and begin transcribing. Paste the Google Meet link into the field provided. Take a second to double check that the link is complete with no extra spaces at the beginning or end. This helps Otter find the exact meeting without errors. Now click record. Otter will begin listening for that meeting and will either join it as an assistant or start a live note tied to the link, depending on your setup. If the meeting is already in progress, you should see transcriptions start almost immediately in your Otter workspace. If the meeting hasn't started yet, Otter will be ready and will begin once people join. While Otter is transcribing, you can follow along in real time, add comments, and highlight key moments. Speak clearly and, if possible, use a headset to improve accuracy. Reducing background noise and making sure only one person talks at a time will yield better results. If the conversation includes specialized terms, saying them clearly once or twice helps Otter learn them in context. When you're done, simply end the meeting as usual. Otter will finish processing and save a searchable transcript with timestamps. You can share it with teammates, edit for clarity, and revisit important sections using keywords. That's all it takes. Open your Google Meet, copy the meeting URL, go to Otter, paste the link, and click record. With a simple flow, you'll capture clear, organized notes from your Google Meet with minimal effort.